In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report not spam in Gmail. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is open Gmail in my browser. Just head over to gmail.com and wait for your inbox to load. Once it's fully loaded, you should see your regular Gmail interface with your emails listed in the center and the sidebar on the left. Now that Gmail is open, I'm going to make sure I'm in the mail section. Usually Gmail opens to the inbox, but if you're in another section like chats or drafts, just click on mail so we're looking at all the email folders. This ensures we can navigate easily to the spam folder. Next, I'm going to move over to the left sidebar where Gmail lists all the different folders like inbox, sent, drafts, and so on. If you don't see the full list of folders, scroll down a little bit and you'll see an option that says more. I'm going to click on more, and this expands additional folders including the spam folder. Once the list is expanded, I'll scroll down until I find spam and click on it. As soon as I click spam, Gmail loads all the emails that have been automatically filtered into the spam folder. These are the messages Gmail thinks might be unwanted or suspicious, but sometimes legitimate emails end up here by mistake. Now that we're inside the spam folder, I'm going to scroll through and select the email that I want to mark as not spam. Once I find the correct message, I'll click on it to highlight or open it. After selecting the email, I'm going to right click on it. This brings up a context menu with several options related to the email. From the menu that appears, I'll click on not spam. As soon as I click not spam, Gmail moves the message back to your inbox and updates its filters so similar emails are less likely to end up in spam in the future. You'll notice the email disappears from the spam folder and will now be accessible in your regular inbox. And that's really all there is to it. We opened Gmail, went to the mail section, scrolled down the left sidebar and clicked more, then opened the spam folder. From there we selected the email, right clicked on it and clicked not spam. That action restores the email to the inbox and helps Gmail learn which messages are legitimate. By doing this regularly for emails that were incorrectly marked as spam, you can make sure your inbox stays organized and important messages don't get lost. It's a simple process, and once you get used to it, you can clear out mistakes in the spam folder quickly and efficiently.